Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on iPhone 14 Pro. So to do this we'll need to open our App Store. Here go for the search and now enter Microsoft Edge. Select this app, click on Get, Install. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app. From here we can begin the setup. So sign in to turn on synchronization. You can add account or create new one. I'm gonna do it later. Here you can accept or disagree with data sharing preferences and then click on confirm. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. Here you can go for the settings to do that. I'm gonna skip that. So now let's just open any website, and as you can see it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.